Hello and welcome back to the CookHub. Today let us make crispy sun-dried rice flour crisp, which is also called as Odi. Here is the list of ingredients required. Let us start by making a slurry. In a bowl, combine rice powder, salt to taste, red chilli powder and water. Now boil 3 cups of water in a kadai, then add in the slurry which we made previously into this boiling water, stirring it continuously so that it do not form any lumps. Now cook this for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Keep stirring until it becomes thick. This process has to be done on a low flame. Once it thickens, give it a boil for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. You can then turn off the flame and add in chopped onions or chopped garlic to give the flavor and then cover and let it cool completely. Once the batter is cooled completely, you can then spoon it onto plastic sheets, dry it under sun for 2 to 3 days or until they are fully dried. When you are ready to enjoy them, you can just deep fry them in hot oil until crisp and golden. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CookHub.